If you work with concrete, you already know. The problems don't wait for the office. Cracks, corrosion, callbacks. This is my concrete life. The complete field reference line, built for the job site, not the classroom. It always starts the same way. Something's wrong with the concrete, and everyone on site is looking at you. Guessing costs money, guessing causes callbacks. There's a better way. So we built the answer. The Concrete Defect Identification Library. More than 25 field guides in one complete resource. Identify it, assess it, repair it, prevent it, real-world photos, plain language, and zero fluff. Every defect gets its own focused guide. Cracks, spalling, scaling, efflorescence, and more. See it, recognize it, and know exactly what you're dealing with. And when your eyes aren't enough, the testing series takes over. Half-cell corrosion surveys, core sampling, sounding and chain drag, step-by-step procedures backed by ASTM and ACI standards. Need more than one? Grab a Focus mini pack or go all in with the full 21 guide bundle and save. For the number side, yield, air content, and unit weight, there's the QC Calculations Workbook built to ASTM C138. Do the math right on every single load, whether you inspect it, test it, batch it, or pour it. This line was built for how you actually work. Print it, laminate it, and carry it in your pocket. My concrete life. See it, understand it, fix it right.